A warm welcome to this new episode of Gardening Escape, guys. It's been some time since I uploaded a video on YouTube, but finally managed to make one for you. It's Kalanchoe I am going to talk about today. Let's show you my Kalanchoe collections first. I have 9 different Kalanchoe currently in my garden. Some are very old, 2 are 4 months old, and these 5 are new addition to my garden. Fairly small plants, but they are showing signs of buds. These cost me 30 rupees for each rooted cuttings. Not cheap at all considering the size of plants. But the most satisfying part is I have got 2 variegated and 1 unique looking Kalanchoe that are hard to find. I am going to pot some of them and obviously share my way of caring them. See, these 2 are Kalanchoe hybrids full of flowers now. Kept them in same container as I have bought from nursery. These are very easy plant to grow and don't have to look after very often once they are placed in ideal location. They love semi-shade more than full sun, so we can keep them in windowsill or in a well-lit balcony. Kalanchoes are actually succulent belonging from sedum family. That's why everything has to be maintained just like succulent. Grab a very good ready-made succulent mix or make your own soil for best result. Kalanchoe produces fibrous roots, so a very soft growing media is recommended. Also, we must choose small pots at the beginning for better root development. Any wide but shallow pot full of Kalanchoe will look very attractive. After planting, give them a good drench of water. Water again only when topsoil is dry. These plants are not very demanding when it comes to fertilizing. Any balanced NPK at 15 days interval and micronutrients at 30 days interval will work wonders. Sometimes you can experience pest attacks or fungal infections in the leaves. Only then spray pesticide or fungicides to keep them away. If you follow these simple things, Kalanchoes will reward you with abundant flowers. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe Gardening Escape for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay fit and happy gardening.